Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the light lens in a Kenmore refrigerator. It's going to be a very easy repair. Should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. For the job, we're going to need a Phillips screwdriver. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new light lens. This light lens is located in the freezer compartment at the top. It covers the freezer light, preventing it from being broken. The most common reason to replace the light lens is if it's broken and no longer stays in place. To get to the part, we need to open the freezer door. Our next step would be pulling out and pulling up and removing the freezer drawer. Next, I'm going to dive into the freezer with my Phillips screwdriver in hand, and we're going to take out that single screw that holds the light lens. And the lens comes off. Here's the old light lens next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. Before installing that light lens, I would suggest you put that screw in. Then we're going to hold it, and then I'm going to install it. Then I'm going to insert these hinges at the back into the cutouts. Bring up the lens and start the screw manually as much as you can. And I'm going to hold it, and then I'm going to use the Phillips screwdriver, and we're going to secure the light lens. Now I'm going to bring and install the freezer drawer. This L-shaped rail will go between these two rails here on each side. And then I'm going to push it in. And we can close the door. Plug the fridge back in and make sure it's cooling. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other videos available on our site, on Facebook, on YouTube, and on Instagram.